Doing exercise 6.2. Okay, so in the last class we finished up to 12 problems in 6.2. 12 problems. So whatever problems I skip, you do to complete those problems. Okay, the same model only I am skipping. The different models I will explain. Different models I will explain. The same models I will skip it. You do it. Okay, now we will go for a 13th problem. 13th. Yesterday 11th problem I told you. 11th problem I explained, 11th one. If you want 12th one also, okay. 12th problem. Exercise 6.2. The most important problems is all 11, 12 is all 11, 12, 13 important. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? How many 4 multiples are there? How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. How many multiples of multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. Okay. So, what are the multiples of 4 between 10 and 250? We have to write the multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. You write down. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 means 4 table. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 24. Like that. 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28. 4 8 is 32. These are all 4 multiples between 10 and 250. After 10, what is the 4 multiple? Between 10 and 250, after 10, 4 multiple is 12. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 are between after 10, between 250 and between 10 and 250. After 10, what is the 4 multiple? 12. 16. 20. 4 difference. Before 250, what is the 4 multiple? Before 250. Before 250 what? 240. 250 does 250 multiplied by 4 divided by 4. Before 250 what is there? 249. 249 not divisible by 4. 4 does not divide 249. 248, yes. 248. Last one. Between 10 and 250 are the multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 are what? 12. Start from after 10. Before 250. After 10, before 250, 4 multiples. After 10, 4 multiple is 12. 12, 16, 20, 4 multiples means 4 difference. And before 250 what? 248. Before 250 is 248. So now write down A is equal to first time A equal to 12 and A equal to 12. D find out A2 minus A1, 16 minus 12, 4 and A we have. The last one, A the term is 248. What is nth formula? A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 248. What is A here? 12 plus n minus 1. D is 4 is equal to 248. Now n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248. Shift plus 12 right side minus 12. N minus 1 to 4. 248 minus 12 236. N minus 1 is equal to 236 by 4 5 is 20, 4 9 is 36. N minus 1 equal to 59. So n is equal to 59 plus 1. N is equal to 60. So how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? 60 multiples. Between 10 and 250, how many number of 4 multiples? 60. There are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Between 10 and 250, 4 multiples how many? 60. I hope it really understood, children. Now, I go for the next problem, 13th problem. Okay? Right. For what values of n are the nth terms of two APs 63 and 65 and 57 and 3, 10, 17 are equal? What values of n? What values of n are the nth terms of two APs? We are given two APs given. Those two APs nth terms are equal. First AP right now. First AP. What is the first AP? First AP is 63. 65, 67, so on. This is first AP. This is first AP. So find out nth term. A is equal to 63. B is equal to A2 minus A1. 65 minus 63. D is equal to first AP, first term is 63. Common difference is A n find out. A n is equal to formula A plus n minus 1 into B. So what is A? 63 plus n minus 1. B is 2. 63 2n minus 1 into 6 2n. 63 minus 2 61. So this is the nth term of first AP. Now second AP. What is the second AP here? 3, 10. 17. This is second AP. This nth term find out. A equal to 3. B is equal to common difference. A2 minus A1. 10 minus 3. 7. B equal to 6. So nth term find out. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1. What is A? 3 plus n minus 1. 7. 3. 7n, 7 minus 7, 7n, 3 minus 7. So, since both nth terms are equal, since nth terms are given, two APs are equal. First term is what? 2n plus 61. Second term is 7n minus 4. 2n plus 7n shifts left side minus 7n plus 61 shift right side. 2n minus 7n minus 5n minus 4 minus 61 minus 65 minus cancel. N is equal to 65 by 5. 13 there. N is equal to 13. This is. So the two APs given. Which terms of two APs are equal? So both nth terms are equal. First AP, nth term, second AP, nth term. Both nth terms of AP are equal. So we got n is equal to 13. For what value of n both nth terms are equal? N is equal to 13. For what value of n? For 13. For n is equal to 13, both the nth terms are equal. I hope you clearly understood, children. So next I go for 14th problem. 14th problem. What is problem, children? Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. So here what we have to write here given that the third term, seventh term, fifth term we have to write. You know what is the first term of AP? A. Second term is A plus B. Third term is, for example, what is the nth term in AP? Nth term A, n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We want fourth term. Put n is equal to 4. Put n is equal to 4. So what is the fourth term? 4 minus 3. Directly can write. So what is the fourth term of AP? A plus 3. 10th term of AP is A plus 90. 17th term of AP is A plus 60. Like that we can. So whichever term you want, put n is equal to that. If you want third term, put n is equal to 3. If you want fifth term, put n is equal to 5. If you want 10th term, put n is equal to 10 in the nth term. So like that we will get it. So here directly I write. Now, what is the problem? Determine the AP whose third term is 16. A3 equal to how much? Given that A3 is equal to third term is 16. What is third term? A plus 2D is equal to 16. And seventh term A7 seventh term value whose third term is 16. A plus 2D equal to 16. And seventh term A7 is equal to what? A plus 60. Determine the AP whose third term is 60 and seventh term is A plus 60. Fifth term A5 is equal to A plus 40. Second, this is third. A3 16. A3 means A plus 2 is 16. But A7 how much did not give? A7 is A plus 16. A5 is A plus 40. Here, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds fifth term. According to since A7 exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term exceeds since A7 exceeds the A5 by 12 means the seventh term of AP is 12 more than A5. That is seventh term of AP is 12 more than seventh term of AP, 12 more than fifth term. That is A7 is equal how much more? 12 more than the fifth term. A5 plus 1. What is A7? A plus 60. What is A5? A plus 40. Plus 1. A plus 60. A cancel 60 plus 40 cancel minus 40 equal to 1. 60 minus 40 2D is equal to 1. So D equal to 12 by 2 1 and 2 6. D equal to 6. Now substituting this. Substituting D equal to 6 in first equation. First equation is A plus 2D is equal to 16. A plus 2 into D is 6 is equal to 16. 2 6 are 4, 16. A equal to 16 minus 12. A4 A6. Here, determine the AP, form the AP. AP find out. What is the first term? First term A is equal to 4. Second term is A plus D, 4 plus 6, 10. Third term of AP is A plus 2D. 2 6 or 12 plus 4, 16. Nice. Write down AP, write down. First term is AP. The required AP is first term of AP 4, second term is 10. Third term is when you add the common difference to the preceding term, you get the succeeding term. Preceding term is 10. Succeeding term, how you get? Add the common difference. 6. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. So on. This is the AP. Like this. You can do. I hope you clearly understood that. Now, I go for 15th problem. Go for 15th problem. 15th problem, children. 15th problem. Find the 20th term from the end of the AP. From the end of the AP. Find the 20th term from the end of the AP. So far, we did the problem from the beginning, from end of the AP. So, here what? Find the 20th term from the end of the AP. What is given AP? Given AP is 3, 8, 13, so on, 28. 253. So A is equal to what? 3. D is equal to A2 minus A1. D equal to. Find the 20th term from the end of the AB. From the end. From the end, first term is 253. Before this, after first term, second term, third term. From the end, so nth term from the end. Nth term of, from the beginning is, you know that, from the beginning nth term of AP is A plus N minus 1t. From the end is different. So, nth term of AP from the end, An is equal to L minus N minus 1. This is. From the beginning, nth term is, you know that. From the beginning, nth term is A plus N minus 1 t. From the beginning, nth term of AP is A plus N minus 1 t. From the end is different. From the end, the nth term of AP from the end is L minus N minus 1 t. So here given what given? L. L is last term. L means last term 253. Here write 253 minus. Which term? N is equal to how much? Find the which term? 20th term. Find the 20th term. Put N is equal to 20. Put N is equal to 20th term we asked. Find the 20th term from the end. From the end, nth term is, this is the formula. N is equal to 20. B is 5. 253 minus 19. 19 5 are 95. 19 5 are 95. 253 minus 95. 13 minus 5, 8. 14 minus 9, 5. 150. From the end of the AP, the 20th term is 158. I hope you clearly understood, children. I hope you clearly understood. 6.2. 6.2. This is which problem? Fifth problem. I hope you clearly understood. What is the 20th term from the end? 158. 158. 158. Yes. Now we go for next problem. Sixteen problem. 16. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms of AP is 24, and sum of sixth and tenth terms is 44. Find the first three terms of AP. 16th problem, the most important problem. 16th. The sum of the fourth and eighth. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms of AP is 24. The sum of the sixth and tenth terms is 44. Find the first three terms of AP. The sum of fourth and eighth. Fourth term, what is the fourth? Given that, let A4 in AP. A4 in AP is what? A4 is equal to A plus 3D. And A8, eighth term is what? A plus 70. The sum of A4 and A8. A4 and A8 is equal to 24. So A4 and A8, sum of A4. A4 is A plus 3D, A8 is A plus 70 is equal to 24. So 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. You take 2 common, A plus 2 5 is equal to 24. So A plus 5D is equal to 24 by 2, 12. So A plus 5D is equal to 12. This is the first equation. This is the first equation. Now the sum of 6th and 10th. So A6 is equal to what? A plus 5D. A10 is equal to what? A plus 9D. The sum of A6 and A10 equal to how much? 44. Sum of these two. Sum of A6 and A10. Both adding. A6 is A plus 5D plus A10 is A plus 9D is equal to 44. 2A, 5D plus 9D, 14D is equal to 44. You take 2 common, A, 7 equal to 44. A plus 7D is equal to 44 by 2. So A plus 7D is equal to 22. This is second equation. By solving 1 and 2 we will get. By solving 1 and first equation is what? A plus 5D is equal to what? Second equation is A plus 7D equal to 22. Change the signs. Minus cancel. Minus 2D minus 22 plus 12 minus 10. Cancel. D is equal to 10 by 2. D is equal to 5. Substituting D equal to 5 in first equation. First equation is A plus 5D equal to 12. So A plus 5 into D is 5 is equal to 12. So 5 by 25 is equal to 1. So A is equal to 12 minus 25. A is equal to minus 13. So A equal to minus 13 and D equal to. Find the first three terms of A. First three terms. First term. Last. First term A is equal to how much got? Minus 13. Second term. Second term is equal to what? A plus B. A is minus 13. B is how much? 5. Minus 13 plus 5 minus 8. Third term is A plus 2D. So A is minus 13. B is 5. Minus 13 to 5 is 10. Minus 10. What are the first terms? First three terms of AB are minus 13, minus 8, minus 6. Therefore, you write down the first the first three terms of AP are, first term is what? Minus 13. Second term is minus 8. Third term is minus 3. So on. This is the problem, children. Now, one more problem left in this exercise. I hope we clearly understood this. You do solve this problem for your own. Okay? I'm skipping this problem. You do it. So we discuss in the next class some other concept. Okay? Right. Thank you.